Hello guys, welcome back to my channel TechnoGenius47, and today I'm here with an unboxing video, and today I'm gonna unbox an Arduino module, and that's actually an motor driver. It's the L298N dual edge bridge motor driver. So without wasting any time, let's get going. Okay, so this is the box that I have received from the store from where I have purchased this modules from, and this is from an online store, of course, and I bought it from Amazon. Well, the store is robotbanao.com, and they also have a site like this, robotbanao. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's unbox this. Okay, so yeah. Okay, and this side, come on, where is it? Yeah, so let's unbox it. Okay, so this is the thing that we are waiting for. Let's keep this box aside. Okay, we need the cutter again. Okay. There we go. Oops. Okay. So this is the module that I'm so awaited for it. Okay, let's open it. Okay, there you go. Wow, as I wanted it. This is the thing that I was waiting for so many days. I wanted it. It's a very useful motor driver, and it's the L298N, of course. So let me introduce let you know about all the components, all the ports that it's available on this motor driver. Okay, so guys, this is the main component. It's the L298 dual edge bridge IC. It's the IC that's gonna drive the motors. It's the L298 dual edge bridge. Okay, so and then this thing here, it is a 5-volt linear regulator. This thing, I mean, okay, wait, this thing, okay, you can see this thing here is a 5-volt linear regulator. Okay, then first let me show you the main components that people usually confuse with. Okay, so this is a enable. Okay, and this is the enable B. Here, this one is the enable B, and this one is the enable A. It's the enable A, and you can see another one here, this one. Okay, so this one is the 5-volt enable. Okay, this is the 5-volt enable. You can get up to 12-volt in this port. Okay, and then this is the output. These are the output ports for the you can see it's written out here. It's written output here, this part. It's written output here. It's for the output A for motor, like you can say motor 1. Yeah, you can say motor 1, and it's output B. You can say output, this for output, and it's for motor 2. You can say that for motor 2. And then okay, so this port, yeah, this port is for 12-volt for running the motors, and this one is the ground pin, and this one is the 5-volt pin. You'll just get to know about it because it's all written out here. 12 volt, ground, and 5 volt. Everything is written out here clearly. And these are the few pins here. These are few pins here that you can see. These are few pins, and these are the input pins. The logic pins. Is the input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4. This one is the input 4 and 3, 4, 2, 1. And so this is the beginner review for the components of the L298N motor driver, and it's quite big. Say, it's almost covering 1/3 of my palm, and it's a very efficient motor driver, since it has all the components needed. It has a regulator, of course, and yeah, and what to say more, it has a better better edge bridge than other motor drivers, you can say. For example, L293D, that's another motor driver, but this one is more better. This one is more better than the L293D. I previously used the L293D, but there were a few problems that I faced, so I'm switching to L298N motor driver. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and give a like, and add the below the video you have the like button, and you just click it. And if you have not subscribed, you can please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And if you have any comments on this video, unboxing video, please give it in the comments. Thank you.